Video number 12. The 10 do's you have to apply in your Teespring marketing. 1. Choose a suitable niche. Similar to other advertising campaigns, you need to know your prospective audience and market. The more research you do to discover a suitable market, the better prospective audience you will get. It is important to know why your niche market buys teas from you. Be focused on your audience and you will be able to opt for the most profitable niche. You can research on Google.com, Zazzle.com, Wanalo.com, Screened.com, eBay.com, and Trends24.in to find enticing t-shirt ideas. Every campaign starts with a niche. If you are unable to find an appropriate niche, you can't proceed further into the designing part and campaign promotional part. So, it is necessary to define a niche and sub-niches before you start your Teespring campaign. 2. Define prospective audience. You have a great concept to design excellent t-shirts, but before designing, you need to research about your prospective audience. Every t-shirt has an expected audience, and you either understand it or you don't. To learn about your Teespring campaign's potential customers, you need to ask yourself, who is going to wear this and what are their behaviors? If you're already aware of your market, then you need to create an audience to advertise to them to begin a profitable Teespring campaign. You can segment your audience on the basis of their behavior, geographics, and interests to target them better and enhance the chances of selling your t-shirts. 3. Retargeting. If you're running a successful Teespring campaign but the conversion rate is low, you can take advantage of retargeting to get visitors that didn't buy from you in the past back to your site. Retargeting your audience enables you to boost t-shirt sales extensively. You can use Google retargeting and Facebook retargeting options to get your lost audience to return and give you another opportunity to convert them into customers. You need to log into your Teespring dashboard and include retargeting pixels in your t-shirt campaign. You can also create custom audiences to target that have the same interests as your existing customers. 4. Create an attractive design. The most important part of the whole process of Teespring, other than brand promotion, is the designing process of your t-shirts. It requires the perfection of a designer in Photoshop. One needs to be creative and unique while designing t-shirts, because people don't like the mediocre designs they can easily get from the local market. If you are not good at it, then hire someone else to do it for you. If you want to get higher sales, discover how to design like a pro. Once you get good sales, you can hire professionals. 5. Set affordable prices for tees. After designing, set the prices for your t-shirts so they are affordable to your buyers. You can decide the prices as you like, but always set prices that can bring customers to you. Keep prices affordable at the beginning. Once you become good, you can increase your prices. Once you get success, then you can play with your campaign, duplicate it, or run similar campaigns with different prices to attract customers to you. Your buyers won't mind paying a little more money when they are getting the t-shirt of their choice. Try to be creative and set affordable prices for your t-shirts to bring in customers. 6. Make use of social media. Teespring is trendy and able to create buzz in the market. To make more profits, make use of social media platforms to advertise your Teespring campaign. Just look where your potential audience lives and target them right there with social media using different targeting strategies. You can also take advantage of social networks such as Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, which are free. You can show and say something about your designs, testimonies, and reviews, and share them on social media to build trust and awareness. You can create an image post and ask your audience to share it on their social network. To enhance your engagement rate, you can thank them by offering a discount or giveaway for sharing. 7. Advertise t-shirt campaigns to the right audience. Teespring is all about designing and selling t-shirts to your potential customers. To generate lucrative profits, you can advertise your t-shirt campaign with Google AdWords, social media platforms, email marketing, forums, and website blogs. Divide your audience into multiple groups. Create multiple ads for each individual group and use A/B split testing to determine the best ad. You can use Google Ads to appear in search engine results pages and Facebook ads to target your Facebook audience. You can narrow your targeted audience by adding interests, geography, and demographics. Analyze your Teespring campaign regularly to optimize your ads and outcome. 8. Customize t-shirt designs to stand out. To set up an enormous t-shirt campaign that is diverse from others, you need to personalize t-shirt ideas based on your audience's passion and concerns. Look for the right style, such as long-sleeved, short-sleeve, polo, etc. Now, select an engaging design. You can create a unique design by yourself, or you can hire an artist to make designs for you. You can create images, slogans, and some punchlines to give your t-shirts an attractive look. Choosing the color of the t-shirt decides the face of your t-shirt. The shades and colors you are choosing should be moderate instead of blatant. Finally, look at the design placement of where you want to put it on the t-shirt. Placements can be on the bottom, center, left, right, or on sleeves. 9. Spread the word about your t-shirt campaign. Say something about your Teespring campaign to make your audience aware of you and give them something to talk about. Have a clear objective of your t-shirt campaign in your mind that you want to share, and look for media where your potential audience spends most of their time. Recommend something that has value for your customers and respond to the needs of your customers. You can make use of social networks, events, emails, and hashtags to educate people who you are and describe what you do. You can also take advantage of email marketing to send newsletters and tell everyone about your new launch with a link to your Teespring campaign. 10. Keep an eye on what's working. For marketers, it is really crucial to crave new opportunities to optimize your Teespring campaign. You need to watch for which t-shirt design is engaging and making more profits for you. Also, pay attention to online marketing strategies, which stands out to you and where your prospective audience likes to spend most of their time. Test your ad copy, image title, and other parameters to discover the finest ads and use them where your audience is. Observe which Teespring campaign works tremendously and repeat that to improve the performance of your t-shirt campaign.